Hi. So my last video is over a website called Sheppard Software. And besides National Geographic, this one is my favorite for having games. I say that because the games are a little toned down. They're not quite so loud and obnoxious is how I felt playing some of the other ones. So one of my favorite is the US Geography. What I really like about it is that you can choose the different levels. Um, you can choose the learning the capitals. So if I want to learn the 50 states, I can select a region, which is I know how teachers at my son's school taught them. So little sections. So the first step, you could at least identify which states are located. And then once you get good at that, you can go back and you could play a game. So here are your, so it can easily build from one to the next. From So you could find Massachusetts after you've studied that area, and New Hampshire. So that's what I liked about this was that it built on the previous lessons, and then just the sheer number of games and interactive um, learning that there is. So you're talking about nouns. It's good for practice, but I like the fact that the um, games themselves are not quite so loud. You feed them a worm, and if you do it wrong, you just get an X, and you can keep going. It's not a big deal. Keeps track, and for let's see, they have beginning Spanish, which could be something that kids explore on their own if they're interested, or if you have a bilingual student or a student who doesn't speak English. Um, this would be something that they could use or you could use to interact with. Whoops. Um, Also, let's see, they have animals in science. So no matter what you're talking about, even up here into plant cell games, this was something that my freshmen in high school learned this year. So I love the variety. Teachers can use it, again, your science teacher, your math teacher. It's a variety of people that are able to have students engage in this. And I felt that the graphics were entertaining, but not too much. Thank you.